Michael wasn't broke because he was stupid. He wasn't broke because he was lazy either. Michael was broke because he was tired. Every single day he made hundreds of small decisions: what to eat, what to watch, what to do. Should he work? Should he rest? Should he start something new? And by the end of the day, he had no energy left to do anything important. No business, no money moves, no progress. Just another day, gone. If this feels familiar, it's not your fault, but it is your problem. Because the truth is simple. You're not broke because you don't have money. You're broke because your brain is overloaded. Michael always thought he had a motivation problem. He would watch videos about success, read about rich people, make plans late at night. "This is it," he would say. "Tomorrow I change my life." But tomorrow came, and nothing changed. He woke up tired, opened his phone, scrolled for a few minutes, which turned into an hour. Then he had to decide what to do next. Work, gym, learn something, start a side hustle. Too many choices, so he picked the easiest one: nothing. What Michael didn't understand was this: his brain wasn't broken, it was doing exactly what it was designed to do. Your brain wants to save energy, it avoids hard decisions, it looks for comfort, and the more decisions you make, the weaker you become. This is called decision fatigue. It's the reason why smart people still stay stuck. Not because they don't know what to do, but because they decide too much. And in the end, they do nothing. Michael's day looked normal, but secretly it was draining him. He decided what to wear, what to eat, what message to reply to, what video to watch. Hundreds of tiny decisions. By the time he thought about making money, his brain was already tired. So when it came to important things, like starting a business, learning a skill, or investing, he told himself, "I'll do it tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. One day something clicked. Michael realized something strange. The richest people he followed weren't working harder than him. They were deciding less. They wore the same type of clothes, ate similar meals, followed simple routines. Their lives looked boring, but their results were not. That's when Michael understood. Success is not about doing more, it's about deciding less. So Michael tried something different. He didn't try to become more motivated. He didn't try to work harder. Instead, he removed decisions. He created a simple system. Same morning routine, same work hours, same learning time, no thinking, just following the system. At first it felt weird, but something interesting happened. He stopped feeling tired all the time. Because now, his brain wasn't busy choosing all day. It had space, energy, focus. So when it was time to work on money, he didn't hesitate, he didn't overthink, he just did it. Small actions, every single day. And slowly, things started to change. Michael didn't become rich overnight, but for the first time, he was moving forward. He started learning one skill, not 10. He focused on one income stream, not 5. And because he removed the noise, he became consistent. And consistency is where money lives. Not in motivation, not in big ideas, but in simple actions, repeated daily. Here's the truth most people ignore. You don't need more time. You don't need more motivation. You need fewer decisions. Every extra choice is stealing your energy. Every unnecessary option is slowing your life down. If you want to make money, stop asking, "What should I do today?" and start saying, This is what I always do. Michael didn't change his life by becoming smarter. He changed it by making life simpler, less thinking, more systems, less choices, more action. So if you feel stuck, if you feel tired, if you feel broke, maybe the problem isn't money. Maybe you just have too many decisions. And once you remove them, everything changes.